Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. Okay, so for today's look we're going to be using this Lock and Firm wax and also this Cream of Nature curl quenching mousse. Okay, only two products guys. I like to work with just minimal products because I don't like to put too much stuff in the hair to weigh the hair down. Okay, if you do have beeswax, that will be great to start this look. Okay, beeswax, that's actually what I wanted, but I couldn't find it, so I just got my hand on this cream, and it works well too. Okay, so yes, before I started this look though guys, I did wash his hair and I give it a thorough wash and stuff, and I also had to use the blow dryer guys to stretch his hair out a bit, so I got the full length, which I didn't get the full length, but because he has such tight curls, but I stretch his hair out as much as I could. Okay love, so the reason why I use a toothbrush at the roots of his hair while I'm brushing it like that is because I'm trying to stretch the hair, stretch the roots. Okay, so I'm trying to, although I blow dry the hair before I start, I'm trying to just stretch it and everything. Okay, and I'm also combing the ends to make sure when I'm twisting I'm getting an even twist all the way through. Okay, all the way through. Okay loves, if you would love to try this look but you're unsure if you're able to pull it off, listen, you can. Okay, don't worry, your girl got you. Miss Kimmy K got you as always. All right, throughout this whole video it's a whole repetition on how to do this style. Some of the clips I'm gonna be slowing down, some of the clips, and also zooming in even more closer on how to do this twist. Okay, Okay, lovelies, if you have reached this far in this video, this is only a friendly reminder reminding you guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Yes, guys, please hit that subscribe button if you are not yet a part of the Miss Kimmy K family. Hit that subscribe button. Come on and join the family. And also show your girl some love by hitting that like button. Thumbs up this video and also share this channel with your friends and family. And please feel free to drop a comment down below. Okay, love. So, are you confident now? Are you confident in trying this style on yourself? I know you've seen it so much now because I just wanted to make sure that you guys get it. That's why I did a lot of close-up shots and, all different angles because I want to make sure that you guys get this and get it right. All right, but loves, if you guys have any question at all, Miss Kimmy K got you. Okay, so don't be shy, drop them in the comment section, and of course I will be sure to respond to your questions. Okay, so now we're coming to the end of this video. This was definitely a cool style. I really love the turnout, and OMG, when he get that haircut, oh my gosh, very fresh and clean. All right. So let me know if you guys love the video. Drop your comments and everything down in the comment section down below, and of course don't forget to grease your scalp. Lovelies, grease your scalp. Okay. Okay, loves, don't forget to also turn on your notification bell. Okay, that's that bell that will notify you every time I upload my weekly videos. My videos are always uploaded on a Saturday. Okay, so guys, please don't forget to share this channel with your friends. Okay, yes, loves, and thank you guys so much for tuning in to another one, guys. And thank you guys so much for staying till the end. Until next time, guys. See you. Bye-bye.